In this lesson, we will learn about logarithms. The word logarithm is made up of two Greek words, logos and arithmos. Logos means ratio and arithmos means number. So, a logarithm is nothing but a ratio number. So, basically, a logarithm tells you how many times a number needs to be multiplied by itself to get another number. So, what do we mean by this? Let's see. So in this example, we see that 2 needs to be multiplied 3 times by itself to get 8. Okay, 2 needs to be multiplied by itself 3 times to get 8. So a logarithm here is 3, right? Because a logarithm tells us how many times a number needs to be multiplied by itself to get another number. So here the another number is 8, and how many times a number needs to be multiplied by itself is 3. So logarithm is 3. And now let's see how this is represented as. So this is represented as log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. So the 8 over here is represented here. 2, which has been multiplied by itself 3 times, is represented here, and this 3 is represented here. In this expression, 2 is called the base of a logarithm. So typically logarithms are represented in two different bases. They are represented to the base 10 or they are represented to the base e, where e is called the Euler's number, and the Euler's number is e equal to 2.71828. This is also called natural logarithm, and this is called a common logarithm. So a common logarithm has base 10 and a natural logarithm has a base e, and a natural logarithm is also sometimes represented as ln. So now if you observe, we just mentioned that here 2 needs to be multiplied 3 times to get 8, but this can also be represented as 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8, and this is called the exponent. So it looks like there is a relationship between the exponents and the logarithms. So 2 power 3 is equal to 8 is one way to represent this, and also we can represent it as log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. So a logarithm of a number is the exponent of its base, right? So basically log 8 is nothing but the exponent of its base. The exponent of its base, the base is 2, the exponent is 3. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So a logarithm is nothing but the exponent of its base, which is 3 in this case. In general, the logarithm is represented in this way. A power x is equal to y. Then it is represented as log y to the base a is equal to x, where x is the exponent, the number a here becomes the base, and y goes over here. So this is the basic introduction of what a logarithm is. So in the next lesson, we will look at some laws of logarithms.